Hello and welcome to Bankless DAO walkthroughs. Today we will guide you through how to bridge funds using Bungee Exchange. Bungee, a bridge aggregator powered by Socket, simplifies cross-chain and cross-token transfers. It helps users discover the most efficient routes for moving assets across various blockchains and token types, factoring in any necessary swaps. Bungee operates without extra fees. Only the standard gas, swap, and bridge fees apply. To start, visit app.bungee.exchange. Here you can explore options like transfer, refuel, or transaction history. Connect your wallet from the top menu to begin. With your wallet ready, we're set to initiate a cross-chain and cross-token transfer. You'll start by selecting the blockchain you want to bridge from in the From section. Make sure it matches the chain of your connected wallet. For example, if you want to bridge 5 OP tokens from the Optimism chain to the Arbitrum chain and convert them into DAI stablecoin, select Optimism as your From chain and OP as your token. In the To section, choose Arbitrum and DAI. Enter the amount of OP tokens you're bridging in the From section. Bungee will then aggregate the routes and calculate any necessary swaps. Consider using the refuel service when bridging, particularly if you're low on gas on the destination chain. Refuel, developed by Socket, allows users to deposit native tokens as gas on the source chain and receive an equivalent amount on the destination chain. For example, depositing $5 worth of Matic on Polygon would enable you to receive $5 of ETH on Optimism, facilitating smoother transactions. As a bonus, using Refuel can slightly boost the efficiency of your bridging process. By default, Bungee recommends the route with the maximum return, visible under the Refuel toggle. You can switch this to fastest transfer in the Settings menu, accessible from the gear icon in the app's top right corner. This menu also allows for slippage adjustments, giving you control over your transaction preferences. Keep in mind that routes are updated every 60 seconds, and you can also refresh them using the button near the settings. To choose a different route in the app, simply click on the View All Routes button and select an alternative route from the list that pops up. Utilize the Layout button on the top right to gain a better understanding of how your transaction is processed behind the scenes. This function will reveal a more comprehensive view, specifically detailing the steps and mechanisms that are used to create the routes. Before you review the route and continue with bridging in the app, another feature to remember is the recipient address. By clicking Add Address at the bottom of the app, you can easily add a new wallet address as the recipient. Be sure the address is not an exchange wallet and check the consent box. If you later decide to change this, simply click Edit and then select Remove Recipient Address. We are now ready to review our route. Click the Review Route button. On this page, check the transaction details. Ensure all information is correct, and click Approve Transfer. This will initiate a wallet transaction where you'll set a spending limit and confirm the transaction. Next, click Bridge and sign the prompted transaction to start bridging. The final transaction status can be viewed on the last page. For future reference, your transaction history is accessible in the Transaction History tab. That wraps up our tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.